Okay guys, I'm up on the roof at Sanseer. So this is the flat roof. The entrance is right over here to the building. So it collects all the water from this pitched roof here and this pitched roof here for the lower part of the brick building. So they tore off all the old asphalt and gravel roof down to the bare plywood. They put down a new separation barrier and insulation. Then they put down the rubber EPDM roof. They redid the drip edge here and sealed it. On the front side they installed a new drip edge, and you can see the rubber goes up underneath about 3 courses of shingles. The drains look good. There's the other side there. They also redid the ridge cap along both of these pitched roofs. I had that thrown in. That was big because it just had blown off. So now there's the proper nails. They're hand nailed with 2-inch nails. When they put it in the last time, it looks like they just used a gun and shot in regular roofing nails, so it blew off. That's it. They did a good job.